So the given question is an EM beam is propagating in a medium with a velocity of v equals to vi vector, that is it is propagating in x direction. The instantaneous oscillating electric field of this EM wave is along plus y-axis. So the instantaneous plus y-axis. So then the direction of oscillating magnetic field of EM wave will be. So we have to tell the direction of oscillating magnetic field. So direction of oscillating magnetic field will be, now if we see that, we will see that the formula is E cross B, A cross B equals to V. So A is in the J direction, that is plus Y axis, into B equals to B, which is in I, that is X direction. So B vector will be in K direction, that is along Z axis. So the direction of propagation of the oscillating electric field will be plus Z direction.